Deep in the foothills of the Great Smoky Mountains, east of Gatlinburg, Tennessee, you'll discover both a wonderful living and rental cabin opportunity. This is 315 Whippoorwill Ridge Rd. It's a tremendous property looking out to majestic Mount LeConte. With 5 bedrooms and 5 baths, you'll enjoy over 4,300 square feet of unparalleled living area. Step inside to rustic luxury. The great room is the center of good times with great friends, with a wall of glass out to the mountain view and the large stone gas fireplace, keeping you toasty warm on cool East Tennessee nights. Meals will be an adventure. This farmhouse table will accommodate a crowd, and the chef's kitchen has been designed for ease in meal preparation. New granite countertops integrate with the abundance of cabinetry, and the electric cooktop within the island blends perfectly with the state-of-the-art appliances throughout. There's a bedroom for every taste. Each has been designed to meet the desires of every guest or every family member. Your king suites are located upstairs and downstairs to maximize privacy. The baths, of course, are fully equipped, and upstairs we've included this cozy sitting area that's just waiting for you to enjoy a long, quiet moment. We not only offer great game areas, the media room with stadium seating looks over to an ultra-wide high-def TV. And you'll enjoy hours of relaxation in the extra-large hot tub, looking out over the view. Schedule your private tour at 315 Whippoorwill Ridge Rd in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Call Nanette Brewer or Claudia Dybus, your real estate go-to gals of Crylike Realtors South Direct.